You are very welcome. Ngabe sengiyamcela ayibasiphatha kahle bakhala. Kodwa ngaphambi kokuthi sikhulume ngale nto mama uMhlongo, uMinister uthumele wena uthembe wena eminyangweni omkhulu kangaka. uMinister wathi na esithembise u1 billion rand. Ngaphambi nje kokuthi sikhulume ngale submission, where is our uthi sizombuza. Ngifuna ukumkhokhelela ukuthi aphendule, ngifuni agcine seqamba amanga. Kodwa abahlali bafuna ukwazi, khona ubakushiba la. Sikhathele lo mbuzo kaGeneral Assembly abahlali. Bakushiba, sondela babangeke. Ngifuna uyibuzele lo mbuzo ngoba ngizoba nengxaki selibuza mina, kanti nami ngimbuza ukuthi naye usayobuza. Phakathi kwethu sinabahlali basezulwini babuphatho abasahlukumezeka, abahlali abakhubazekile abangabonelisweni. And the city and this province ayenzi kahle. Bakushiba lo mbuzo ka1 billion rand ngicela ubuze wena.
Kodwa bakubona lo1 billion wawushontiwe. Ophela kusuka ushontiwe ngaphakathi. Hayi mara unashontiwe phela kufanele siwafile. Uletheni phela bafowethu. Lo1 billion siyawufuna uzosiza. Nathi endisizwe lisiphuphekile sibeke wona lo1 billion futhi uzoselekelela. Hayibo, angigcine ngaleli elithi nina bafowethu nilisabhishelo elifuna lokuguqula lo mthetho. Nangani intayitela lasezithuthweni, izithuthweni buyele kuleni sayo. Ngiyabonga.
Namhlanje bakali sizothula ngokusemthethweni. Kubizwa ngezethulo, phecelezi i-submission. Sibonile omkhulu beSouth Africa yonke benza lokuthiwa ama-public hearings, bethatha izinto nemizwa yemiphakathi yase-South Africa ukuchibiyele lo mthetho. Bafikile nalabo eKwaZulu-Natal, eMgungundlovu naseChesterville, la lo mthetho sawuphiza sawuhlakaza sathi asuthini lo mthetho. Namhlanje usuku lokugcina lokwenza izethulo ama-submission. Useshilo-ke unobhala wombutho ukuthi asinawo ama-emails futhi bekungeke kube nesisindo nje sithumele indoda yodwa unobhala futhi akasubmithele. Sikholwa ngani ukuthi ukwenze ngempela. Sathi ukuze kube nesisindo so that it carries the weight that it deserves. Asiphume ngobunini bethu sizosubmitha lezi mfuno zethu kulo mthetho osivivinyo ka-2026. Njoba silana we want to base it on records that abahlali in Gauteng are also submitting in a form of a collective march with Shamsa because of Gauteng legislature. So as abahlali baseMpumalanga base Dr. Peter Seme lapha eFolkraf la kunombhikisho ofanayo nasisubmitha khona. Yonke le mibhikisho i-characterizwa inhlonipho nediscipline ukuze umyalezo wethu udlule ngendlela efanele. Sithe njengabahlali udaba lomhlaba uma lungakalungiswa asingakhulumi ngokuthiyela komthetho. Sithi umhlaba awubuyiselwe kubantu abamnyama abaningi bomhlaba. Yebo. Okokuqala lo. Ngokuzophisana nalo mthetho bahlali asisho ukuthi sizopromota okubizwa nge-land mafia. Nabantu abacebile lethe umhlaba be-abuser thina besidayisela umhlaba bakha amabhilidi amakhulu. Asize uzodifenda oziwankulu abathatha i-advantage yale simo esikhona njengamanje. So sizothi namhlanje abahlali basemjondolo movement of South Africa submission to the drug prevention of illegal eviction from an unlawful occupation of land handed over to the Minister of Human Settlements, Republic of South Africa, Honorable Thembi Simelane is singing introduction in a media briefing held on the 16th of April 2026. Human Settlement Minister Thembi Simelane announced the draft Prevention of Illegal Eviction from an Unlawful Occupation of Land Bill 2026, which is briefly known as the Pi Amendment Bill, had been released for public comment. In her address, the minister stated that the proposed amendment seeks to empower municipalities, state entities, and private property owners. The bill seeks to empower municipalities, state institutions, and private landowners. Lo mthetho uqonde ukunikeza amandla abantu abavele banamandla, abantu abacelile onguwankulu, abantu vele aba-owna umhlaba, aba-private, neminyango kahulumeni uqonde ukunikeza labo bantu amandla over abantu abavele who are already poor and vulnerable. How much more must we suffer? Akwanele lokuhlupheka esibhekene nabo bakade. Lokuhlupheka esibhekene nabo, is it not enough ukuthi sebengaze bathole isawoti esilondeni? So they empower state entities and private property owners to respond more decisively to what they call illegal occupation and eviction. Our submission responds to these stated objectives and the provision made in the draft bill. Our movement and all its communities and allies have read and considered the draft bill and made this submission in accordance with the invitation to submit written comments. Our primary submission is that the draft bill is fundamentally flawed and must be rejected in its entirety. Sithi lo mthetho awuchithwe, konke okukuwo akuchithwe. Asisho ukuthi awuchithiwe, sithi awuchithwe ngoba konke okuphakathi kwawo. Awushoni ukuthi ngokuthi umhlaba, awushoni ukuthi ngokuthi umhlaba siyithola. Lo mthetho awushoni ukuthi ngokuthi izindlu siyithola kanjani. Kodwa okushoyo ukuthi le mizi esibiza ngamakhaya ibizwa kanjani. Ayangazanizwa bakhala. Lo mthetho awushoyo ukuthi ngokuthi siphuma kanjani osizini. Awushoyo ukuthi ngokuthi le mizi sesiyakhile esibiza ngamakhaya for abantwana bethu ithuthukiswa kanjani. Kodwa inama-details ukuthi lokho sesikwakhile makuthuthuke kanjani. Sebenziswa zonke impela zomthetho, impela zangahulumeni. Ngisho abantu abanemali banikezwa ilungelo lokuthi basichithele. Mayelana nathi, about us, we are members and supporters of Abakali Basemjondo, a social justice movement working and organizing across South Africa. We are free traders, we are hostel dwellers, environmental justice, we are fisher folks, we are taxi drivers, we are farm dwellers, forgotten residents and unemployed workers. Yithi asisebenzi, asinamali, siyasemgwaqeni, siphila ngama-grants, iningi lethu asisebenzi. Abanye bethu abazi ukuthi bazolala bedeli kwanamhlanje. Sibizwa ngabantu abangelutho, ngoba nabo simnyama, siyabanukela abantu ababela. Sebedakwe umbuso, ngoba seku-right bona, sebeshaya lo mthetho, owawakade ushawe bona ngo-1994, beseqoba ngalo muntu lomnyama. Umbuso uyadakwana. We are Democrats, committed to the flourishing of this country. We speak for ourselves and direct our own strategy. We have no hidden agenda. We have been mobilized by our own suffering and our hope for a better future, a better South Africa, a better world. Many of us are landless. Many of us do not have decent housing. Many of us do not live in safe neighborhoods. Many of us have no jobs. Most of us that do have some work do not have secure jobs that pay a living wage and provide medical aid. Most of us are living in deep poverty. And yes, all of us are facing an energy crisis that has collapsed our economy and our hopes for a better future. The consumer promise and the protection the PIES Act provides. The Constitution, promises the constitutional promise of dignity, equality, and access to housing remain paramount and must be honored, not dismantled. Section 26, Section 26, Sub 3 of the Constitution guarantees that no one may be evicted from their homes without a court order and without consideration of all relevant circumstances. The Prevention of Illegal Eviction from and Unlawful Occupation of Land Act 19 of 1998, the PIES Act, was enacted to give effect to this right. It replaced the Apartheid Era Prevention of Illegal Squatting Act, which was used to justify forced removal of millions of black and colored people from urban land. The PIES Act decriminalized occupation and required courts to consider justice, equity, and risk of homelessness before granting any eviction order. The draft bill threatens to undo all of this. Lomthethosivivinyo usikhupha konke lokho esesikuzile. Besiwina enkantolo ngale PIES Act ka-1998. Namhlanje uhulumeni ehlangane noNgqonkulu nabamhlophe bathi abahoxise naloko kuncane besinako nakuba ikwadukuza ikhona namhlanje ishaka sethu ikhona. It's because of the PIES Act. Konke lokho kusiza thina bayasikhupha bahlala. Sesizofana nabanqunu, sesizosala dengwane ngoba nishone enkantolo asezukwazi ukusiza uma lo mthetho ungasho uphasi. Moreover, the bill does not seek to empower vulnerable communities who are already poor, unemployed, landless, and living in substandard housing conditions. Instead, the bill seeks to empower private property owners and state entities. The bill does not provide clear details of how it will resolve the crisis of housing in the Republic of South Africa. Reversing the gains of our personal democracy, including the right to housing. Lo mthetho ubuyisela konke lesesizuzile kule ntando yeningi, our personal democracy. The amendment bill does not only undermine the constitutional mandate of the state, but it takes away all the protection that the PIES Act provides and was intended for. The bill does nothing other than criminalizing poverty. Lo mthetho akukho kwenzayo ngaphandle kokuthi ukuhlupheka ukwenze kube icala. Usunecala nje ngokuhlupheka nje ususekaleni. Lo mthetho kwenza kube icala ukuhlupheka. Uhlala emjondolo kuyicala. Lo mthetho points out ukuthi leli khaya onalo hlele ekaleni. The bill does nothing other than criminalizing poverty to a point that it imposes a fine of 2 million rand and jail sentence of 2 years for being homeless and landless. It is failing to address housing backlog. It is failing to address inequality and spatial injustices. It does not advance the rights of the homeless. It does not advance access to adequate housing. It puts an end to the provision of an underpaid alternative accommodation. Uhulumeni belilindele ukuthi masudilizelwe amani ahlinzeke ngenye indawo yokuhlala lokubiza nge-underpaid alternative accommodation. Lo mthetho uyekususa konke lokho uthi mabekudilizele sale estradini ney'ngane. Lo mthetho uthi uzohlala ku-pavement ney'ngane. Lo mthetho uthi ukusa kuyoqoqa. Uma uyawaphasa nje futhi banelungelo lokudiliza bakushiye ney'ngane ney'ngane. Uthatha nalelo lungelo lokuthi bamane batile vithini njoba kuvela amathini nje yingoba we were meant to be provided with adequate alternative accommodation. But manje usezithola ngishithini, usezithola ngishitende, you will get nothing. Like I mean sparkle in Afrikaans. You will get fact audit. Imagine it. I've seen that. My memory serves me well. Fact audit is just nagging. So that's what this bill does. It takes away the provision of adequate alternative accommodation as mandated by the Paris Act, which is consistent with the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa. So actually, it is failing to address the land reform or structural conditions that grant people to occupy vacant and unused land. It is for this reason why we consider the bill to be reversing all the lanes of personal democracy promises. We would rather support the bill that seeks to empower communities, not private owners. A bill that seeks to end housing backlog and homelessness. You know what's example. We further note that the bill is dangerous. Nomthetho osivivinyo uyingozi, uyihlazo, uyinhlamba kubantu abamnyama. Angathandi ngizwa kahle. The bill is an insult. It is dangerous to future stability in our country, as it suggests that this is the last generation. Nomthetho ukhomba ukuthi lesi sizukulwane esikhona sokugcina. Mawusenomntana amalume oseza ohlala emakhaya uthi ngiye eThekwini, ngiye ePort Elizabeth, ngiye eJohannesburg, ngiye eCape Town ngonyaka ozayo. Angakhohlwa lo mthetho ukuthi osedolobheni usedolobheni ongakafika ngaleseza ngoba isagesi ukuthi igeneration yokugcina isizukulwane sokugcina lesi. Makuthi senomntwana othi ngisawufuna amatoho edolobheni ngonyaka ozayo. Akakhohlwe ukuthi lo mthetho umuntu akahlale la ehleli khona. Uma afford ukukhokhela apartments la emadolobheni should akahlale endaweni zasemakhaya. That is our interpretation. It suggests that this is the last generation. Abasekha bamadeza. Umhlaba uyagcina nathi. Makusenengane kamalungu athi ingane kamfowethu osemakhaya ethi ngiyevoli ngonyaka ozayo. Ngiyofuna isikolo eKapa. NgiyakuGongo. Ngiyemgungundlovu. Ngithola umsebenzi eNyukhasela. Uthi lo mthetho so as the apartheid laws of the past. Uthi ungabuseza. Umuntu onelungelo lokuya emadolobheni umuntu onemali. No employed. Ngoba kaloku uzorenta ngantoni. Meaning the next generation or a child in rural village that aspires to migrate into any city of this country for well-related needs or access to higher education, better healthcare, etc., can only do so if they have money to afford to rent apartments. If they cannot, then they would have to remain in rural human dumping area with no prospect of fulfilling their dreams. This would be a big mistake and selfish of us. Sinomthwalo wokuvikela ikusasa labantwana bethu. Sinomthwalo wokuvikela lesizukulwane esizayo. Kufanele sizabalaze ukuze nabeze emva kwethu babe nethuba lokuya emadolobheni bakwazi ukuthola indawo zokusondelela umsebenzi. Isubmission yethu iyaphela-ke la abahlali ithi uhulumeni and the minister must scrap the bill in its entirety. Sithi njengabahlali uMangqongqoshe uSimelane nabongoti ekade drafta nabo bona oDr. Mike Sachs sithi lo mthetho awuhambisani nathi. It is anti-poor. Ayihambisani nabantu baseNingizimu Afrika. Furthermore, sithi lo mthetho is inconsistent to the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa and therefore must be scrapped. That is our submission. This is what I never said. Heri njenalo mthetho besivele sikhona bawuyele umthetho ofanele bawupropose yomali wokuthi how you want details of how are you going to build housing. Let's say your money. Details, how are you going to end the development of the housing? That's what we want. we want a law that promotes the provision of housing, not that limits, not that rubbish the effort that we ourselves are doing. Kunabahlali sebeqalile bathe bashula uhulumeni endaweni zabo bakhalahle bamshula umthwalo uthi uhulumeni uyeza uzodidisa simbonile ediliza ama-subsidy kuyeza nalithi uma lo mthetho ungahle ube yimpumelelo kusho ukuthi ikusasa labantwana bethu liphelela lapho. Ngakho-ke namhlanje sizonxusa uminista ukuthi abuyele emuva kwi-drawing board umthetho esizowusaphotha yilo ozonikeza imininingwane egcwele ukuthi izindlu basakhela nini kanjani ngokuthi lo walidiliwe ukufika kanjani yilo ukuthi abantu abawi-housing list ingabikhona indawo housing list bazithola nini izindlu. Sifuna ibhili ezothi abantu abahlala emathinini for more than 20 years baphuma kanjani emathinini. Ibhili ezothi abantu abakhubazekile abantu basenduduzeni bayithola nini izindlu. That's the bill that we want. The bill is an emergency where they want to distract us. We are voting for that. So ngizoyihand over le minister ku-DDG, ku-Deputy Director General waka-Human Services ozoyithatha egameni likaminister. Bese-ke esitshela ukuthi lo 1 billion rand sizowuthola nini kanjani. Bese sitshela ukuthi bazobuya nini basitshela ukuthi le bhili sebeyichithile.
Manta.
Why the sign now? 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 Bahlali sifisa ukunibonga kakhulu. Niqhubeke nenhlonipho. Izwe lethu selidinga nina more than ever before. To provide leadership, to provide protection, to provide ubuntu at this time. Sibonga kakhulu nisibongele bobani, nisibongele bazali emuva. Sifisa nje ukubongela abantwana bethu. Ngibongela izizukulwane ezizayo ukuthi nikwazile nesibindi ukuzoda nihambisane nokubuyisela emuva esikuzuzile njengezwe. Amandla asizwele umlomo kaNgqongqoshe ukuthi uthini.
Ngena kwezindaba simbuye endabeni.
Sanibonani bahlali. Njani? Okugcina ngidla nani ngiva. Hayi ngiyabonga kulokhu ukuthi hayi kubalele. Siyabonga kakhulu angikelele kakhulu ikhulu zami ngikelele uPresident nabo bonke abaholi abakhona phakathi kwethu. Sibonge kakhulu isinene esitholile njenge-department esiyinhlonipho. Njengoba seshiwo mina nguNana Mthongo ngisebenza e-departmentini e-national lapha ngoba ngithumiwe uminista kodwa ngihambe ngedwa njengoba uPresident beseshilo ngihamba nodwa ongomunye wama-advisors kuminista osebenza nominista abanye bayamazi besebenza lapha eThekwini. Ngiphinde ngihambe futhi noDebora osebenza ofisini likaminista bese ngihamba futhi nomphathi engicabanga ukuthi nonke niyamazi ubaba uThatu osebenza la eThekwini ophethe umnyango wezokuhlaliswa kwabantu. Angiphinde-ke ngihambe emazini kaPresident okuncoma ngibonge inhlonipho. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi okwenza kube lula ukuthi sikwazi ukusebenzisana inhlonipho. Okukhulu-ke engikuzele la ukuthi ngivumele uNgqongqoshe ngiphinde ngisho ukuthi bekuyisifiso sikaMinista ukuthi azivele. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi unobhali ngobona ukuthi ukuresponda kwathatha isikhathi ngoba ubezama ukuthi angavula kanjani isikhala. Kwathi ukuthi vele ngenxa yokuthi uhlelo lokusebenza kwakhe lusuke luplanwe ngesikhathi sekude, ezinye izinto kuba nzima ukuthi ayinyakazise. Kodwa wathi ngenxa yokuthi ucommitted ekutheni athole izimvo zabahlali, uPresident useshilo ukuthi ekuqaleni kwalo nyaka bebefikile edepartmentini njenge-leadership yabahlali basemjondolo movement. Okushoyo ukuthi umnyango kaminista uvulelekile, abazange bakhulume nami, bebekhuluma nominista uqobo. Ukungabi bikho kwakhe-ke namhlanje akukona ukuthi akafuni lokhu nje bengavumi isikhathi, kodwa uminista is fully committed ekuxoxisaneni nabahlali basemjondolo ngoba siyakholelwa ekutheni idingo zabahlali zaziwa abahlali. Futhi idingo zabahlali nemibono yabo ibalulekile kithina njengohulumeni. So yingakho-ke sizile la sizothatha-ke njengoba lokhu siyedlulisa bese sidlulisela kuNgqongqoshe uyena-ke ngoba aqondene naye. Bese sinikeza ukuthi khanaphu obekelwe abahlali njengoba uPresident beshilo ukuthi ngesisemarisbek saya naseTestaville siyaqhubeka. Ngiyathanda uku-emphasize President leadership. The fact that you could have waited until the consultation period is closed. But ngisho ukukhombisa idiscipline nokuhlonipha umsebenzi owenzayo uhola abantu within the stipulated time frames. Nilethe izimvo zenu ngazo zonke izindlela ezikhonakalayo. Ngiyafisa-ke ukuthi noma ngeke ngiphendule kulama-demands ngoba afuneka kuNgqongqoshe bese-ke kuyaphendulwa. Kodwa ngiyafisa ukusho kulokhu uPresident abese kubalule ukuthi funeka umthetho oqondene nokuthi abantu bazohlaliswa kanjani. Ngiyafisa ukusho ukuthi i-PI bill ayiqondene kakhulu nalokho, iqondene nokuthi sivikele umhlaba lapho okufuneke kuthuthukise iy'mpilo zabantu khona. kunomthetho esike sawuqala kule minyaka edlule abantu ngo-2023 sahamba siconsulta senza i-white paper ukuthi umthetho okhona we-housing siwuthuthukise ukwazi ukubhekana nezidingo zamanje nokuya phambili. So lowo mthetho usekhona. I-cabinet ya-approva ngo-2024 ngoDisemba ukuthi leyo white paper ibe yi-foundation ezosihola ukuthi-ke umthetho ukuya phambili nokuhlaliswa kwabantu kufuneke ube njani. Ngiyathanda ukubalula-ke President ne-leadership yonke ukuthi lowo mthetho enye yenhlaka ekhuluma ngazo ukuthi abantu kumele babe yingxenye yokuxazulula izidingo zabo ukuhlaliswa kwabo. So yilowo mthetho okhona oqhubekayo futhi esizothi eziqhubeka inyanga futhi sibuye sikhulumisane nani ngawo. Kusho ukuthi kubalulekile lokho enikezayo ezomnyango wezokuhlaliswa kwabantu from the national office. We don't take it for granted. We respect your voices, we respect your opinions, we respect imibono yenu ukuthi kufuneke sihambe kanjani ukuthi siye phambili. So ngiyathanda ngimile la ngimele ungqongqoshe umama uThengiselelani ukuthi yes sesikwamukelile liyothi Shona bese sikwedlulisile kuminister nakho kusiphume khona bese-ke sithunywa uye ukuthi siqhubeka kanjani. Kodwa ngiyafisa ukugcizelela ukuthi umnyango kaNgqongqoshe uxoxisana nabahlali baseNgqongqoshe uvulelekile. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Hayi bahlali, inhloko yomnyango wezindlu kayiThekwini ubabuphathi ngithakayibuze yena kodwa wakho ukuthi 1 billion usufikile la eThekwini noma manje sewufuna ePitoli uthemba phansi. Yawenza njalo amakhaya. Sakhuluma nomthombeni wakulesifundazwe wathi lo 1 billion usePitoli awafika. So mama wafike esifundazweni ushuna la eThekwini awakafika. No siyabonga kakhulu.
Marta! Lasciare quel come una lei. Stavo a fare perché mi tieni tanto la figlia. Nobody siyabonga kakhulu ngokuthi sikhona apha emgaqweni. Ila sikhona ngolekile lethu kuye kwikhalo zethu sesishilo ukuthi lolu usuku olukhulu belungqokamlando ukuthola abantwana. Bahlala eMpumalanga sikhuluma ngenani nabo bayahlakazeka kakhulu. Egoli ngokujabona kusebeqedile. So usuku olukhulu lolu obeluyingqokamlando. So nobhala ngawo uwakhethe maningi akamafembe. Sayina uminister enzela into yokuba lo sihlakane namakhophi ulalela ulugcine wasayina uzulipile lo mthetho. So siyabafuna bakanzolu ngedlela kuney'phakamiso zembili ey'ntathu wonke amamashana ayacelwa into yokuba aze ahlale nepayemva namareflekta bonke abaphethe amabhena becela bahlangane necomrade umsebe lawo nawo ngapha asisanda khona wonke amabhena aseofisini ahlale ngakhona. So ngalokho bakanti siyacela siyabuyela emakhaya ngokuphekileyo siyiphathe kakuhle ibe ne-weekend emnandi uma kukhona ubasokubhobhayo ethi uyabulisa ukuzozama la usimeme besike ngetotho esangwe kwakho esivele badala hayi abantu ngabasimezelayo phake amayikande
ngiphathela wona amamasali angawakhululi amabhibi amelangalayo
ya manje ngifuna inkinga ukuya labantu ngathi ugadiwe nje
sozama ukucela
mayimasali ungakhululi ibhibi
ngizobuza ngelayo
phakathi umelangalayo
Kulumende mas namaphansi
ibhola kuyangeneke
ya sengathi noma ngabe khuluma nesizulu kodwa bayathanda ukukhuluma isingisi noma bekhuluma isingisi umise lekhuluma isingisi
uyalapha
ya sifana kalokho Minister.
Funa into encane kokologo osukwini bazothola nje uHarris Move oyi-1
ya
efani cha angiyi nje kulezo ndlela ngiyakuletha abantu bokufika nabo
ya
angiculusekile kahle ya hayi wena lapho mina ngidlula lapho
sabona mama uyaphezulu
eliphefuli othathe ibhodlela laba liphefule esigaqweni ecela abazi bakalibuyise naku umnikazi walo
Ay. Baba. Hey. Umbiko. Kita umbiko ufika ngani? Okay. Serious.
kade ngifuna umntwana njalo
So we're still waiting for the president to finish whatever he's doing. Then we're willing to have a talk with him. So we're still busy as a moment, just chilling. Mom, sabona mama yaphi? Sakhuluma nawe mama just ufuna ukwenza nje just interview nyana u-update abantu ukuthi kwenzakalani la njengoba kuseThekwini kanjani. No. Sawubona mama Phil. Siyaphila.
Uvusa Mdletshe coaches number plate lapho.
umhlali wasenqabeni uhlole kumalanga kuthiwa la bekhona alele bhasi.
No, not ukuthi yena kukhona into eyishotayo number plate ngu CD000 noma ngu00Y 00Y kodwa. Yeah, u00.
So mama Phil. Sikhona. Sicela nje ukubona interview nyana nje just a small nyana.
Ngoba ingaki bafuna ukonfirma kuye ngenzeka delay ke ngokukhokheleka ngoba uyafonela
Naba ngapha. Mfowethu. Singakhuluma nosisi uzos-update ukuthi la kwenzakalani ithini into njengoba bela. So mfowethu ngicela ukuthi ubuze imibuzo kusisi. Hayi bafowethu. Sicela ukuthi wehlala kancane mama sawubona phela sikhona yebo mama sisacela us-update nje ukuthi sikuvulana kwenzakalani njengamanje ithini uhlelo losuku umhlangano uhambe kanjani njengoba sibona abantu namhlanje bebaningi kangako.
Namhlanje uphakathi enyangeni sibezakela imashi singabahlali basemjondolo emayelana nokuphikisa kwe-Pi Amendment Bill ehlongozwayo ukuthi iqede ngamalungelo ethu. Thina sazi ukuthi i-Pi Act ka-1998 okuyiyona esivikelayo thina iyona esiyithembe kakhulu. Mase befuna ukususa lowo mthetho baqonda ukuthi bafuna ukubuyisa i-apartheid ukuba kwethu. Sibona kanjalo singathi manje shuthi labantwana basemakhaya ngeke baphinde beze edolobheni. Abantwana nabafowethu abasafisa ukuthola umsebenzi ngeke baphinde beze emadolobheni. Ekubeni benjalo ayikho imisebenzi abayicreate-ayo emakhaya. Abantu bathutheleka nje beze emadolobheni ikhona ukuthi ayikho intuthuko esemakhaya. Uma ngabe sebefuna ukuqhubeka lo mthetho bethi bafuna ukususa endaweni esikuzona asikwazi ukumelana nalokho. Lo mthetho abawubekayo njengamanje bathi akekho umuntu osevumelekile ukuthi akhuphe umhlaba. Uma ngabe ekwenza lokho sekuvume siyiphasile lo mthetho. Uma ngabe ekwenza lokho uzoyithola esenkingeni yokuthi aboshwe noma ahlawulise imali engango 2 million. Awucabanga umuntu ohluphekile kuma emjondolo usuhlawulisa ukuthi uzokuthathana. Baphinde bathi uma ngabe thina njengabahlali basemjondolo sithi sifuna ukubamela labantu laba abasuke bese bethula bakulezo simo leso kwabona abahlali bazohlawulisa lo mali ewu2 million baphinde futhi bavalele ukuthi abanayo imali yokukhipha le 2 million 2 years ejele okanye 3 million.
Dadewethu ungadina nje upresident uke wabalula indaba zokuthi awukho umsebenzi ozovela amakhamba abantu bokufika mhlawumbe ungasiclarify le into ekanjalo ukuthi ayikho into bezokubuyela mangabe ukuthi khamba labantu ngicela mhlawumbe usiclarify udabona kanjalo.
Okay, isibonelo sikhombe eduze nje isibonelo nje baaze asho kanjalo ukuthi uhulumeni waseGhana ubalandile abantu abakhe baseGhana abawu 300.
Yes.
Sibuza umbuzo oyi-1 ukhona yini umsebenzi oqhaqho ovelile sithi behamba labantu baseGhana? Ilo buzo sinawo njengamanje ukuthi since abantu baseGhana behambile amathuba omsebenzi awu-300 akhona na avelile. Abantu base-South Africa abawu-300 bawatholile namathuba omsebenzi sekuhambe labantu abawu-300.
Mhlawumbe uke wabalula indaba zokuthi kade elapha eShehudo wasefikelwa usizi mangabe bona abantu abamnyama uthi begcole lapha mhlawumbe unako ulwazi ngaloko noma mhlawumbe ungathi ukuphawula mhlawumbe malana nalo daba lolo kulaba futhi baseShehudo ngicathi basemalawa mangaphosisi abase-Shehudo lapha abafuthi abathi balinda amabhasi azobahambisa. Yes.
Ya isimo sona asisihle kahle. Engaphawula ngakho ngabantu bokufika besizocela thina ukuthi umphakathi awungayithatheli ngezandla akungabi khona amathuba abangadawa khona amathuba okulutha noma okwenza ezinye izinto ngabantu bangaphandle ngoba ezinye izinto esizibukayo abantu angithi labantu bokufika bafike bathola ingxenye abanye basemjondolo abanye bakuphi zonke indawo ezihlukene. osekubukeka sekwenzeka ey'ndaweni abantu sebebheke ukuthatha lokhu laba abantu abahleli khona athi uma ngabe kukhona into yokufika yena iyofuna ukuyongena laphaya engazange azakhele yena into yakhe yebo bahluphekile abantu bakithi ngiyabona yebo ubugebengu bukhona eSouth Africa kodwa asithatheni lento siyenze ngendlela efanayo uma ngabe isigebengu sibanjwe njengesigebengu noma ngabe kuthiwa seSouth Africa noma ngabe kuthiwa one piece asifane igebengu isigebengu akunamehluko
ngameli wakhuluma ngendaba yokucwasa wasebalula ukuthi yena yazoleka kakhulu nabantu bokufika ngiyafisa ukuzwa umuzwa wakho njengoba nawe uhamba nawo ngameli ukuthi wena nakho ukuzwelana nalento ukuthi kuthiwa bagodwa
yebo akungathiwa ukuthi bagodwa into esizwelana nayo ingoba indlela esibexoshwa ngayo indlela ekwenzeka ngayo izinto uma ngabe umuntu sithi umuntu ngabantu ngizosina uyabona manje mina ngisekinalo uvalo lokuthi uma ngabe kuthiwa angiphume ngengaphandle kwezwe nginalo uvalo manje eSouth African ukuthi ngizothitheka kanjani ingakho ngithi mina uma kufanele bahambe kahle asingabashayi abahambe kahle ingabi umuntu oshaya ngabe umuntu olimala kakhulu ofana sithi sikhona abantu base-South Africa esitravelayo sikhuluma ngaphandle awucabangi usufika passport yakho ithi South Africa uzothitheka kanjani phambili
mhlambe sesiwama ngabe ukuthi into iyele lapho kulelo lizwe lingaphandle iyacomplya nomthetho wakulelo lizwe lelo mhlawumbe uvumelekile njengoba abantu isikhathi esiningi balwe indaba ukuthi abantu bangaphandle bala illegally wena mangabe ukuthi uyengento mhlampane engezoba nankinga nomthetho wakhona do you think usazoba naleyo fear leyo ukuthi owase South Africa ukwelenye ilizwe njengoba uchaza
ngicabanga ukuthi mina uma ngabe ngizwe kahle umbuzo wakho ngicabanga ukuthi mina into engenza ngibe novalo lokuthi ngiye ngaphandle noma ngingabe ngifike ngokomthetho yikhona ukuthi ngiphuma eSouth Africa abanye abantu eSouth Africa sebeyibuka ngelinye iso ingakho ngithi ngizoba nalo uvalo ngisho ngabe kuthiwa ngifika nje ngoba vele angaze ngiphume ngaphandle ngongemthetho ngiphuma ngendlela efanele kodwa uma ngabe sengifike lapha yana if sekubona abantu sengihlangana nabantu sengi-introduce usilenhlanhla wakamntanyana
from South Africa sense okay no ngiya understand kakhulu no siyabonga kakhulu mhlawumbe nje mangabe siba specific as abahlali basemjondolo movement anihambisani nalento ukuthi ama illegal foreigners noma abantu bangaphandle bahamba
asisho ukuthi asihambisani nalo esingahambisani nalo udlame
okay no
sibeke caphela udlame
indlela bahamba ngayo no siyabonga kakhulu siyabonga sisonke danke njengoba nje sizokhuluma nobaba upresident
hayi bakwethu ngameli manje sekuhlola manje
uthini okay
ayikilekile ngazona njengoba Nona ngameli ngemkhonzile
so live la
ayikikika
hayi mina live yeah so umengameli njengamanje usabe interview nazi into edayisayo lapha nangu upresident akade esithulele inkulumo ngeke ukusikhona
ufuna nje
eso
besicela nje ukuthi mhlawumbe usitshele nje mhlawumbe into ewugozi yakunikeza ukuthi emqalelento nanokuthi esikhulumeni sanamhlanje isikhulumo sithini manibuka ukuthi-ke i-compliance kobantu ebebhekene nabo ithini mhlawumbe athini amathela
sibonge kakhulu njengokuthi wabahlali basemjondolo asisho ukuthi lo mbuthi usungulwe ngonyaka ka-2005 sesiqede iminyaka ewu-20 sikhona okwasigqugquzela ukuthi uqale umuthi wabahlali ubona ukuhlupheka nosizi labantu abahlala emjondolo ikakhulukazi ezinye zezizathu ayikukhona umuthi wabahlali basemjondolo namhlanje bona abantwana basemjondolo eKennedy bedla ama-worms umntwana iyitshela ukuthi i-rice ngafithi umntwana egcwele ama-worms ubuso uyadla umntwana uhlela phekwe itoilet eseligcwele so kwangikhathaza nami lokho ukuthi asikwazi ukuvumela lokho
ukuthi abantwana bahlupheke kanje. Isimo lesibhekene nabantu abahlala emjondolo abanawo amanzi, abanawo ama-toilet, abanawo ugesi, basha nemjondolo. Sabona ukuthi alikho izwi, akekho umuntu ephalamende omele abahlala emjondolo, akekho kusishaya mthetho, akekho ku-city council. Sabona ukuthi we are on our own, fanele sisukume senze something. Umuntu abahlali waqala kanjalo, it was out of anger, hunger and frustration, sathi akube khona esikwenzalayo because we care for our parents. So uthanda izwe lakho, uthanda umphakathi. Yingakho umuntu usukhulile namhlanje. Angisho nje ukuthi sesinamalunga angapha 180,000 at least in 4 provinces of this country, in Gauteng, KwaZulu-Natal, Mpumalanga, Eastern Cape. Sesiyoqala Northwest. Umuntu usukhulile kakhulu. So ukusiletha namhlanje sizoqinisekisa ukuthi imithetho mhlawa eParliament siba nezwi kuyo, siyakwazi ukuyibona noma izolimaza, izokhubaza ukuthuthuka kwabantu. So lo mthetho-ke esizowuphikisa namhlanje, umthetho esivinye sizowuphikisa, uthatha konke lokho ebesikuzuzile kwentando yeningi. It is reversing all the gains of our constitutional democracy. For instance, umthetho okhona njengamanje ubizwa nge-PIES Act, the Prevention of Illegal Eviction from an Unlawful Occupation of Land Act of 1998, is now being reversed because it provides protection for abantu abahlala emjondolo. It requires ukuthi umuntu uma ezodiliza aye enkantolo to get a court order. Nakhona i-court must look at the circumstances of a person that is to be evicted. So sizovikela ukuthi ungaphasi lo mthetho. Ngoba uma ungaphasi, it means abantu will be rentless, homeless. It means there will be no provision of adequate alternative accommodation. Sizabe sezonikezwa enye indawo yokuhlala. Umasipala mayediliza bazosala emgwaqeni nabantwana. Sizovika any form of homelessness ezokwenziwa ilo mthetho. Okusikhathaza kakhulu ngalo mthetho ukuthi ngisho uminister uclear ukuthi i-purpose yawo is to empower private land owners. How do we empower people who are already empowered? It is to empower state entities. Why would you empower someone that is already empowered over vulnerable people who are homeless, who are landless? Is our suffering not enough? So our message is to scrap the bill. There's no need for this bill. This is our message for today.
Mhlawumbe futhi uma ngingabuza nje umbuzo khona la okhuluma khona nge-land population, ukukhumbula i-land population ukuthi yes fanele ukuthi-ke mhlawumbe njengoba la bakwenza ngisakhumbula le nsizwa le umalema wena wayedila kakhulu nawo lento leyo kunyaka la kwaze walimala khona abanye abantu. Mhlawumbe ngibuza ukuthi ngathi kureveswa lowo mthetho loyo, angazi uma ngizwe kahle.
Well, umongameli usayinile i-Expropriation Act early this year ukuthi umthetho ungathathwa ngaphandle ukuthi kukhokhelwe ababethathwe kuwo. So siyakusapota lokho, kodwa nakhona on condition ngoba uhulumeni akanendaba nathi kahle kahle. Sibonile ukuthi i-expropriation of land njengamanje kulesimo ekuso nayo isafeva ongqonkulu abantu abanemali, abantu abanemhlaba, isapromote ama-land owners. Ayisho lutho lutho. So bazo-expropriate nowethu, iqhala lethu yilelo, sebezo-expropriate nalesi kuyo imihlaba. Kanti thina sithi abo-expropriate umhlaba which is in the hands of the white minority commercial farm. Umhlaba oningi sizobhimba lokho ukuthi already silandless. That's why simpintshele emjondolo. Right sizokuca lokho angabe uthini empowerisha. Minister kanamahloni ukuthi uzo-empowerisha landlord, state entities, zingabo sithi
nilwele amalungelo abantu bahlweni ngoba lokho enikwenzayo bafowethu nibuyisa nesithunzi umuntu omnyama oswele ngoba umzunzungwa kwethu siyazi ukuthi akekho umuntu ohlala emjondolo noma ongahlala emjondolo ebethanda khona. So siyabonga kakhulu bafowethu, nathi singwadumuza siyakuthembisa ukuthi-ke siyayinikela ngokuthi sinikeze amandla negama elivela ekuthini ukuthi siyanisapotha kwenikwenza ngoba nilwela amalungelo omuntu okhuphayo. Sonke ngesimbi emnyama bafowethu siyazi ukuthi-ke ukuhlupheka ikona kwenza ukuthi isithunzi sibe phansi, basibone kancane uba ngathi siyabantu abangenalutho noma abangadizeki lutho egcineni. And I think everyone deserves ukuthi naye abe la bonke abakhona. Kuba semjondolo just a thing akuso into osuke uyifisile. So siyabonga kakhulu bafowethu ibe isibonele nakwezinye iy'nhlangano ey'khona. Siyabonga kakhulu nanokuthi-ke iy'nhlangano ey'ningi suke kungene kakhulu ezepolitiki akuyinto egcina ilimaza into ey'ningi. So thina sibonga kakhulu kumina ukuthi-ke aningenanga kwipolitiki kodwa ngithathe nje inhlangano nayenza yakhiwa ngendlela eyiyona. So nje I salute you for that.
Sibonga kakhulu okwenza ukuthi sibonge kakhulu futhi ukuthi nisuka kaDukuza. KwaDukuza hayi-ke umasipala wakhona ehlangene nama-Resident and Ratepayers Association ababizwa nge-Dolphin Coast Ratepayers and Residents Association basifuna siphumile. So sithi asinda siyazi ukuthi balindele lo mthetho ukuze uphase ukuze basidudule. Sithi KwaDukuza is for black people. Noma nalamabhunu amnyama sethengwe abelungu sithi asinda. Ngakho-ke siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi niseke nani kaDukuza ngoba asifuneki kaDukuza icala lethu isikhumba sethu icala lethu
Okay.
Besicela babukuba nezi nawe nje ungajile baba wami yebo.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Ngizokusendela kungahambe.
Okay.
Mzansi, welcome to Mkosi waseMzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Laba bahlali basemjondolo bathi abahambisani bona nalendo yokuthi kube khona abamasha kuqoshwe abantu bokufika la South Africa njengoba sibona bamix memorandum into labatifunako begcwele kuThemfini njengoba sibona bantu bebaphumile ma-members akhona bewaphumile to support ekutheni kuhanjiswe leya memorandum. But bantu abaningi bayamangala ukuthi hayibo ma-South Africans asho njani ukuthi akahambelisane wona nemashe yokuqosha bokufika eSouth Africa. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.